My shattered mind is doing overtime yet again. Why can't release this pain within my brain? As it's driving me past being insane, and I feel like I'm my family's fate. I know for me daily they do pray. To them I just don't know what to say. I can feel it getting worse each and every day. It's demons, it's me, they are trying to slay. I do feel like I'm losing this fight. To see the end of it gives me a prize. Trying to win with all my might, but all I can see is that white light. Going back to work gave me bad anxiety, as I'm not the old confident me. Taking a breath, counting 1, 2, 3, a wise counselor weekly. I currently do see depression. I promise it's definitely real. I can't open up about how I feel. Feelings in a bottle that has no seal. The pain within I'm trying to conceal. I bottle it up well, eating my evening meal. Life is the last chip on a roulette wheel. I don't know why you picked up that knife. I really did think about ending my life. Pain within was causing me strife, but I'm only here for my family, children and wife. Children and wife. I'm only here for my family, children and wife. Do you have a spare mind that I can borrow? Because I'm searching for my brighter tomorrow. My family watching every move I make, and they're waiting for my next mistake. I'm pleading, everyone's suffering the storm, so take deep breaths or go off on the wall. I'm sorry family, here's my plea. I promise this won't be the end of me. Depression, I promise this definitely real. I can't open up about how I feel. Feelings in a bottle that has no seal. The pain within I'm trying to conceal. I bottle it up well, eating my evening meal. Life is the last chip on a roulette wheel. This dark melancholy feeling is bringing me down, bringing me down, bringing me down. This dark melancholy feeling is bringing me down, bringing me down, bringing me down. This dark melancholy feeling is bringing me down, bringing me down, bringing me down. This dark melancholy feeling is bringing me down, bringing me down, bringing me down. Depression, I promise is definitely real. I can't open up about how I feel. Feelings in a body that has no seal. The pain within I'm trying to conceal. Everyone my soul is my closing appeal. It's bringing me down, bringing me down, bringing me down.
You could just see the amount of time and effort it must take to write all these lyrics, do the back end, and for me, I enjoyed that more than last week. That was really good. Well done. Kelly.
Yeah, just to echo what I said last week, I do commend you for taking on these really important issues and addressing them, because I think more people need to do that. I think the song itself has a lot of potential. It really has a lot of potential. I'd like to see you sort of like explore different rhythms and speeds and melodies with your rapping, and I still think that the hook would have been more catchy if a singer was doing it. But I like the humming in the background. I think that really built the song. I really like that. So overall, it was a good performance. Well done.
Thanks, Kelly.
Yeah, I agree with what Kelly said about you like exploring like different like rhythms and melodies and stuff, because it did remind me like a bit of last week's performance, which is nothing wrong with that because that's like your style. But yeah, I like how you like proper in the zone, like you can see you proper go for it, and like you're in the zone and like you mean everything you're saying, which is good. Your writing skills, the lyrics were again beautiful. I like the little metaphors you chuck in, like there's something about the roulette chip. That was good. Your stage presence as well, like it was miles better than last week. Like you're a proper like storyteller, you're proper telling a story. And the vocals as well, they were much better than last week as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, well done. It was very unique and it was a good performance. So.
Thank you.
Thanks all for joining.
Scarz, yeah, I gotta be honest with you, haven't I? You'd rather me be honest with you. Right, okay, right. So basically, I don't know how long you've been doing this, all right, but there's a complete revamp needed here, all right? And I'm telling you this because I wanted to, somebody should have told you this by now, what I'm saying. It's not me thing, because I really appreciate you as a person. I love your personality when we have the quick random chats, like when I've managed to speak to you. I've told you last week you've got a lot of creativity and a passion for music, which I really, really appreciate seeing, you know. So you've got everything there, you've got all the ingredients, but at the moment, obviously last week was coming into this process and I could only judge it on what I'm seeing there. But this week I feel like the pattern is still there that I'm seeing. Firstly, I told you about the singing, never to sing again, and you did sing tonight, which I honestly, I was a bit surprised because I can only go on experience. I'm one person, and even as a vocal coach, I wouldn't tell you to sing, all right? I wouldn't tell you to do it. I need you to take that on board because I know you've got original songs with already that in there, but they're gonna have to come out, Scarz. They're gonna have to come out because you're here in this time, and I wanna give you the most constructive advice I could possibly give you to blossom because you have absolutely everything to do it. All right, and that's why I'm telling you this. If I didn't think you had the talent to do it, I wouldn't be telling you it. But you do need to sit back now. You need to listen to your work a little bit more clearly, because I know you're probably looking at your work and go, I'm happy with this, I'm happy with this. But even some of the melody in the rap then, well, there wasn't a melody. There was no flow. It was, I wasn't sure what I was listening to, because it was almost like, and I've come across people who've done this before and they've worked really hard on bettering, getting more skill. So you've got it there to do it, but literally, I think this is like, I don't know how long you've been doing this, but I think you need a complete refresh, restart on everything you do as an artist. And even if it means sitting down with other people that are experienced in the studio, myself or whatever, so that's how I can help you fix these things I'm on about. And it's not, a lot of people wouldn't tell you these things because people in society don't want to upset people and that. But at the end of the day, sometimes we gotta be told to learn and grow. And that's what I'm telling you. It's not because I want you to feel disheartened, because I want you to know that you could be amazing. You've got everything there. But right now, it is a mess. It's a mess. That's what it is. So we need to fix that problem. And I'm more than happy to help you, buddy. I'm sure the girls are happy to advise and chat now. But I'm more than happy to help you. Even outside this competition, I'm happy to help you from here on out. But you've got everything there to do it. I love your creativity, right? So this just fix those little things. If I talk to you inbox, I can give you more in depth in what I'm on about. All right? Well done.
Thanks.